Good afternoon. This is Mayor Kennedy in North Olmsted. It's May 1st, and I'm addressing the North Olmsted residents. First of all, I want to thank the residents for their efforts in March and April in combating the coronavirus. The governor has issued a stay-at-home order until the end of May, so we're going to have to keep up the hard work. I want to talk a little bit about the shutdown and why we shut down. I've talked to people that say, well, we should have never shut down, and I've talked to people that say we should be shut down longer. The key point with the shutdown was to make sure that we keep our healthcare system sound, make sure it wasn't overwhelmed. I think through the efforts of the residents of Ohio and North Olmsted and Cuyahoga County, we've done a nice job in making sure that our healthcare system is not overwhelmed. However, we know that nurses and doctors personally probably feel overwhelmed every day they go to work, and we want to thank them for their hard work and bravery. As we begin to reopen, with retail beginning to open on May 12th, we're going to have to stay working very hard to combat the coronavirus. Again, the coronavirus is here. It's just as contagious and deadly in May as it was in March and April. So remember what our healthcare officials say, and that is social distancing, washing your hands often and for 20 seconds, and making sure that if we have them and we're out in public, to wear face masks. Also, as we begin to reopen, it's important that we support our local business. Local business does so much here for the city of North Olmsted. Let me give you just one example. First of all, our garbage service, our solid waste and recycling, which is our garbage service, our leaf pickup, is paid for out of 15% of the income tax that we collect here in North Olmsted. That income tax is collected by people that work in the city and the businesses that operate in the city. So simply said, support your local business. Why? Well, because they support you every day. So as we begin to reopen, make sure we're supporting our local business. Our garbage service will get back to normal. The yard waste will be picked up weekly, and bulk pickup will be May 7th at the curbside. Also, don't forget to fill out your 2020 census. You can do that at www.2020census.gov. And I want to keep reminding people to look out for scams. If it's not a normal phone call, email, or text, please do not answer that. And again, as we begin May, hopefully the weather gets a little bit nicer. We can get out in our yards a little bit more and get back to a little bit of a normal life. And there is light at the end of the tunnel. I want to thank you, and God bless.